Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a video that you guys have been wanting me to make for a super long time, so I figured I would make it for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a MOTOVLOG setup on a helmet. And what's nice about this setup is it isn't permanent, so you'll be able to pull off the mount and then put it on someone else's helmet if you wanted to. The only thing you'll need to have is a couple zip ties. So these are all the things that you're going to need. The first being the 3.5mm mic adapter. You're going to need to use this if you're using a GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7. If you're using a newer GoPro, you can use a media mic, which I'll show you later in the video. So the second thing you're going to need is a Ulanzi case. You can just find these super cheap on Amazon, and I'll also put the link for everything in the description. So if you have a GoPro Hero 9, just type in Ulanzi GoPro Hero 9 case and you should find the right one that way. Third thing you're going to need is the Dango design mount. I like these a lot because they got these super strong springs in them, so once it's on your helmet it's not moving anywhere. And it's also nice because you can just put these onto other people's helmets. You can just pull them off and just put them right onto someone else's helmet. And then the last thing you're going to need is the purple Panda mic. These mics are awesome. This is like my third one that I've had. They work super good for stuff like this. And obviously you're going to need your GoPro. This GoPro is a Hero 7, what I'm going to be showing you guys on today. Alright, so first thing, let's pop this sliding door open. Let's toss the GoPro in here. Put that back in here. And now we'll put the mic adapter through here. Sometimes it's a pain to get in there. So that'll be like that, and this will plug into here like this. So that'll be like that there, and then your mic will go right into the jack right here. So this would be like this. So that'll be like that, and then obviously the mount will be like this, and it'll just be clamped on, and then we'll just zip tie a zip tie right here on the cheek so that it holds the mic in the spot right there. And then we'll also do some small zip ties just right here on the actual mount itself. Let's get this tossed on here. So that's nice and snug. It's not moving anywhere. Put this on right there. So now we got the GoPro on the mount with the mic adapter on there. Now the only thing we're going to have to do is just put the actual mic itself right into here. So I'll pop that in there. And then the cords right here, I like to mount this right onto the back of the mount itself, like that. So we'll get some zip ties, tie that down, and then we'll have the mic right on the cheek right there. Everything's all plugged in. We'll just put two zip ties to tie this down, the extra cord, and then we'll put the big zip tie right here. Put one zip tie right there. Kind of get it started, and we'll cut all the excess ties too at the end once we have an idea of where everything's going to sit. So now we got the big zip tie on there. It's super snug, so the mic's not moving around anywhere. If you want, you can throw an extra zip tie to hold down this up here, but I think it's going to be all right. So we got the zip ties all cut, so here is the finished product. Hopefully this video helped you guys out a lot. I'm going to throw a couple minutes of footage so you guys can see how this setup looks like. So guys, this is essentially what the footage is going to look like. It looks super nice. The mic sounds really good. I've tried tons of different ways to film it, like on top of my head, on my chest, and everything like that, and this is definitely what I found to be the best. If you guys want to see more footage of this setup, you guys can click on any video on my channel, and they're all filmed the exact same way. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, definitely drop a like. Until next time though, peace out.